Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload Google Photos to the Facebook. You have to start by open Facebook, make sure that you sign in into your account, and then open Google Photos. Select photo what you want to upload, let's say this one. Then click Share at the left bottom. If you select multiply photos, again you have Share at the left bottom. Then right here we have the application list. So if you have iOS, you need to just scroll to the left. If you have Android, scroll down, and you need to find Facebook. But I need to click More because I haven't it right here at the list. So More, scroll down, and right here we have Facebook. Tap at the Facebook line, then select how you want to upload it. Do you want to upload it to feed, story, or groups? Let's say I want to upload it to the story, so I select story and then share to story. And this one is the first option. The second option is to save this picture on your phone and then upload it to the Facebook. So let's say I want to upload, let's select another photo, this one, click at the three dots at the right top and click download. If you want to save multiply photos, you need to also select them, then move and right here, if you have iOS, you will find save to device with this icon. If you have Android, you will find download with the same icon. So you can save in this option. And now we have this photo in the gallery right here. So we can enter to the Facebook and now post this photo. You have it already in the gallery. So we can do this. And let's say I want to add again to the story. So I click add to the story, then select the picture from my gallery and click share. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!